have to chew it right in front of the camera. Well, this has been a long awaited video, I feel like, for a lot of people. Brock and I have gotten a lot of messages through Dobie's YouTube channel and all of the videos that we posted a few months ago. Not even a few months ago. It was like, Dobie, don't you do it. God dang it. This dog's not gonna let me film. So Brock and I do have a valid excuse for not updating and uploading in 5 months. It is now it is now January 2021, and we opened a gym in the Ashland, Virginia area where we live, called Iron Built Gym. We opened in November and started renovating. We started renovating the gym in August, like when we last updated. So that's when we signed the lease. Like everything just kind of got crazy in August, so we did stop filming, and we're sorry, but we are back, and hopefully we will keep the updates coming either every week or every other week. He is attacking my sleep. Stop it. As you can tell, he is still a puppy. But because we've received so many questions, I thought I would write some up and just answer the most common ones, and just give you guys a little update on how he's doing. Anyway, let's get into some questions. Okay, so the first question I thought I would answer is, what breed is Dobie? Dobie is a Cockapoo. More specifically, we wanted a miniature Cockapoo, so that means we found him on a website, and his dad was listed as a miniature poodle and his mom was a Cockapoo. His dad was between like 10 and 12 pounds, and mom was between, I think, like 15 and 20. Oh, ow. And Dobie, he just wants to play tug of war with my sleeve, but Dobie is 22, we think, pounds. We haven't weighed him in a little bit, but he's not a big dog, so we love the size of him. We don't really care how big or little he is. The second question is, how old is he? He's 10 months old. No, 11 months old, since it's January. His birthday is February 7th. 2020, so it's January 2021, so in like a month he'll be 1 year old, and he will forever be in the puppy stages in my belief. But stop it. Stop. Oh my god. This question is, where did we get Dobie from? We got him from a breeder in Pennsylvania. He was a Mennonite breeder. There's a lot of Mennonite and Amish breeders in Pennsylvania, and we happened to find him on a website. We got him. I just stuttered, but ow. Okay, you've got to stop. The next question is, why is Dobie's tail docked? Like, why is it short? We did not do that. His breeder did, so it's not like we took a pair of scissors when he was a puppy. Like, that's just how breeders do. Some breeders do it and some breeders don't. We didn't have a choice in the matter, so, but we love him anyway. Just because he's got a short tail doesn't mean I don't love him. He is a crazy dog. The next question is, how is Dobie doing right now? As of this week, he was neutered, but he's still humping. Dobie, come on, at least act like you're neutered. Okay. He has been wearing a cone for the past 4 days, and just chewed the whole thing. Let me go get it, hold up. So he chewed that, and then he also bit off the string. No, he also chewed off the strings that tie it, so now he can't put it on his head anymore. But now he's gonna want it. But other than that, he's been fine. He's just been he's crazy. He's insane. He is the funniest dog I've ever known. I just don't know if it's because he's mine and like my baby that I find him just to be hilarious. Another question we got, is Dobie in daycare? He is in daycare. Well, actually this month he's not, because he just got neutered. We wanted to give him like a month break. But he goes to this daycare in Richmond, Virginia, where we're from, called Wolfie. It's the Wolfie Wellness Ranch, and it's actually this cute little thing. It's a bus that comes to pick dogs up at the bus stop, like in Richmond. So, and then they take them to this ranch for the day. And he comes back exhausted every single time he goes, so he just naps the next day. They call it the Wolfie hangover, and I love it for him. There's a dog behavioralist there, so there's always someone constantly watching the dog's behaviors and like any aggression, and there's no toys at the daycare. It's just like dog on dog interactions and dog on human interactions, so there's a lot of like stimulation going on. Dobie, what's under the couch? Can you get your butt out, please? All right, well, this video is going great. The last question we got was, will we be posting regularly? As of right now, since we just started a new business in the middle of a pandemic, we are kind of busy. I think we're gonna try to do one video a week or one video every other week, just to kind of like update you, maybe a vlog or something, just to see him. But yeah, our lives are kind of crazy right now. But we are constantly uploading on Instagram. I am on my stories and on my page, same with Brock, and Dobie has an Instagram, and we are constantly posting videos up there. I think he is the funniest dog, like I said before. So his Instagram is Doughboy Dobie, DOUGHBOY DOBIE. So Doughboy Dobie is his Instagram. My Instagram is just Maddie Dix Fit, and Brock's Instagram is Brock Covington. So if you guys want to follow us on there, just to keep an eye, like just to have updates on him, you can. But YouTube is kind of I really want to start posting, I really do, once a week or every other week, but I'm not sure with our schedule how that's gonna work out or what kind of videos y'all would want to see. But yeah, so I edited together some of the, like, because it's been a while since we've posted, I edited a lot of clips of him from the past few months. It's like 7 minutes long. So it's just a montage of funny videos that I'm gonna post with this video, that you guys can watch and catch up and just see the goofiness of this dog. But we are so happy that everyone has loved our videos and everyone loves Dobie. That's what y'all are all here for anyway, so. Dobie, can you say bye? Can you say bye? Who's that? Oh, sorry, he's busy with his bone. No. Dobie, do you want water? Is that what you want? Now, how did you? No.
Temper tantrum. Maybe he's singing.
What's this little butt doing? Huh? What is wrong? No, you cannot yell at me. No biting. Hey, Dad. Hey, where's Dad? Where is he? Oh my goodness, who is that? Hi! Oh my gosh, don't get off the couch. Wait, come on.
Come on, Jimmy. Come on.
Hi, Stinker. Are you happy? I know, sit. I know, oh my. Okay, come here. All right, sit. Wait. Okay, wait. Wait. I know. Okay, good boy. What is? Do you want to go to the dog park in your new sweater? You want to go outside?
Oh my goodness. You're so little. Hey baby. Hey baby.
You gonna get me?
Is it mom? Is it mom? Is it mom?
Who is that? Did you do this? Look, did you do this? Right here? Did you drop your toy? And you want me to get it? Gentle, Dobie. Gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Did you inhale the Febreze? Huh? Did you go up to it and sniff it right as I sprayed it?